class, first chapter real numbers, exercise 1.1, Roman number 1 lo express each number as a product of its prime factors. So first example for sum 140. First 140 ని LCM చేయాలి. 2 table లో first of all 2 7s are 40 and 0. 2 table again 2 3s are and 2 5s are again 5 table లో 5 7s are and 7 1s are enough. Therefore, the prime factors of 140 is equal to 2 into 2 into 5 into 7. Again 2 square into 5 into 7. So this is the first 140 is a prime factor, sir. Again example 156. First we have again LCM. 2 table lo 2 7s are 2 8s are 2 table again 2 table lo 2 3s are 6 and 2 9s are 18. Again 3 table lo 3 1s are 3 3s are 13 is a prime number. So enough 13 1s are 13, and therefore the prime factors of 156 is equal to 2 into 2 into 3 into 13. So therefore 2 square into 3 into 13 power of 1. So this is the prime factors of a 156.